In a village nestled amongst firefly groves lived a little girl named Luna. With eyes as bright as the moon and a mane of hair the color of twilight, Luna loved dreaming. But lately, her dreams had become dull and colorless, like faded paintings. Worried, she confided in her grandma, a wise woman known for her stories of fantastical creatures. Perhaps, her grandma said, her eyes twinkling, a moonbeam has gone missing. Moonbeams are the stardust that fills our dreams with magic. That night, Luna decided to find the missing moonbeam. Following a trail of shimmering moonlight, she ventured deep into the Whispering Woods, a place shrouded in mystery. As the forest grew darker, a small, snuffling sound reached her ears. Luna peeked behind a tree and saw the most curious creature, a ball of fluff with oversized ears and a perpetually runny nose. It was a Snuffle, a gentle creature known for its love of shiny things. "Hello," Luna said cautiously. The Snuffle sniffled, its large, white eyes brimming with worry. "Lost something, have you?" it asked in a voice that sounded like rustling leaves. Luna explained about the missing moonbeam and the dullness in her dreams. The Snuffle's ears perked up. "Moonbeams are shiny," it declared. "Maybe I can help." Together, they ventured deeper into the woods, the Snuffle's keen sense of smell leading the way. They dodged glowing mushrooms, tiptoed past slumbering owls, and followed the soft whispers of the wind. Finally, they reached a hidden clearing. In the center, a mischievous imp sat perched on a rock, dangling a shimmering moonbeam like a toy. "Aha!" Luna exclaimed. "That's the missing moonbeam." The imp, startled, dropped the moonbeam. It landed with a soft plop right in the Snuffle's waiting paws. The Snuffle, ever so gently, nudged the moonbeam towards Luna. Luna cradled the moonbeam in her hands, its soft glow warming her skin. "Thank you, Snuffle," she whispered. With the moonbeam safely tucked in her pocket, Luna and the Snuffle retraced their steps. As they reached the village edge, Luna turned to the Snuffle. "Will you visit me again?" she asked. The Snuffle sniffled happily. "If there's shiny stuff to be found, you can always count on me." That night, as Luna drifted off to sleep, the moonbeam pulsed softly in her pocket. Her dreams came alive in a vibrant spectacle of colors and fantastical creatures. Luna knew, with a smile, that the magic of dreams had returned thanks to a friendly Snuffle and a recovered moonbeam. And from then on, whenever her dreams seemed a little dull, she knew just who to call upon, the snuffling champion of shiny things, her friend, the Snuffle.